Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Yinoche tablet. Firstly, you'll need to power up the tablet. The first time you turn it on, it might take a little longer to start. After that, select your language and your region. The tablet will prompt you to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Select it from the list and enter the password. The Wi-Fi connection is essential for account setup and updates. The tablet will prompt you to sign in with your Google account, and if you don't want a Google account, you can create one during the setup. Now set up a PIN, pattern or password, and you may also be prompted to set up biometric security features for easier unlocking. The device will perform some final setup steps such as checking for system updates and loading any pre-installed apps. Once setup is complete, you'll be taken to your home screen where you can start using your tablet. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.